So here we're going to study few things that will help us in elimination method. So what we're looking at here is an equation being multiplied and divided with few things. So we'll begin with multiplying equation 1 with 3. So when I tell equation 1, what does it mean? And when I tell multiplying equation 1 with 3, what does it mean? Is it that I'm multiplying 3 only with 2x and 10, or is it with 6x also? Or is it just two terms on the left hand side and nothing on the right hand side? What is that I'm multiplying with? Well, we're multiplying with, first thing is, we'll talk about equation itself. The equation is made up of, in this case, 1, 2, 3 terms. So by default, there are 3 terms, okay? And each term has to be multiplied with 3. So the whole idea is that we're going to multiply 3 with 2x plus 6y, and 3 with 10 as well. So further simplification leads to 3 being multiplied with 2x and 6y. So we have 3 times of 2x is 6x plus 3 times of 6 is 18y is equal to 30. So next thing is a negative value. So whenever you get a negative value, we have to be a bit careful. So we are looking at minus 2 times of 2x plus 6y is equal to minus 2 times of 10. So minus 2 being minus 2 multiplying 2x and 6y. So minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4x. Minus 2 into plus 6 is minus 12y is equal to minus 20. Right? Now, we will divide equation 1 with 2. 2x plus 6y is equal to 10. Right? So we are going to divide 2x plus 6y is equal to 10. So dividing with this is nothing but open a bracket, close a bracket. It's similar to multiplying with half. Okay, instead of multiplying with a number, integer, we're multiplying with a fraction. That's it. No other difference. So 2x plus 6y by 2 is same as any other number, where we can use distributive property and rewrite this as 2x by 2 plus 6y by 2 is equal to 5. So we have 2 and 2 getting cancelled, 2 and 6 getting cancelled, and getting a 3 over there. So 1x plus 3y is equal to 5. Next, we are looking at dividing 2x plus 6y is equal to 10 with negative 2. So here too we'll use distributive property, and we will do 2 divided by negative 2 plus 6y divided by negative 2 is equal to positive divided by negative is negative, 10 by 5, 10 by 2 is 5. So positive divided by negative is negative, 2 divided by 2 is 1x, positive divided by negative is negative, 6 by 2 is 3y is equal to negative 5. So yeah, you might feel, is it useful? It will be useful. So all this, right? Now, I'm multiplying equation 1 with negative 1. People go careful when they see 1, and they're like, it's just 1, nothing changes much. But negative 1 does. 1 does not. Multiplying with 1, to that extent, it does not. But negative 1 does. Okay? So you need to be careful when it comes to negative 1. So equation 1 being this, I'll multiply with 1, negative 1. So I'm looking at negative 2x, negative into positive is negative 6y is equal to negative 10. So here we are multiplying 3x minus 4y minus is equal to minus 5. We are multiplying with minus 1. So minus 1 into 3x minus 4y. Always open and close the bracket. Then negative 1 into, here to open and close. Even though there is a single term, whenever you get negative, it will help you handle things better. So negative 1 into 3x is negative 3x. Negative into negative is positive. 1 into 4 is 4y. Negative into negative is positive. 1 into 5 is 5. So all of this is important. So yeah, do understand and try to do few of the question on your own as well.